Welcome to Reach Reporting. I'm excited to share how we're transforming financial reporting and making life easier for financial pros like you. What challenges does our solution solve? Reach Reporting delivers powerful, customizable reports that showcase your expertise, providing in-depth clarity for your clients without adding to your workload. No more manual adjustments, outdated numbers, or last-minute scrambling at month-end. With AI-driven analytics, dynamic dashboards, and robust reports, you save time while increasing your value, giving your clients the clear financial data they need to make confident business decisions. Who is a good fit? If you're a CFO, controller, CPA, business owner, or financial analyst, this is built for you. Firms across industries, accounting, financial services, healthcare, retail, education, franchises, and nonprofits have made the switch. If you need accurate reports, smarter forecasting, and in-depth insights, we got you covered. What makes us different? Our AI scans every data point and generates ad hoc reports that highlight key insights. If cash flow dips, expenses spike, or trends shift, AI pinpoints it, so you don't have to dig for answers. With Reach, your reports are ready to send as is, but we know every client is different. Do you need to add insights? A note, a key metric, or extra context? You have full control. Reach lets you deliver reports tailored to your client's needs, strengthening retention and showcasing your value. Looking to provide forecasting and budgeting? We got it. Track actuals versus budgets in real time, and forecasts update automatically so you can adapt instantly. Need three-way forecasting? Done. See your cash flow, profit and loss, and balance sheet forecasts, all in one place. Managing multiple entities? No problem. Consolidations are seamless, combining financials across companies while keeping drill-down access to individual entities. Want to unlock new revenue opportunities? Our library is packed with ready-to-go reports, both standard and unique, allowing you to expand your services effortlessly. And once you see how easy it is to build or customize reports, you'll be excited by the endless possibilities. Save it as a template, and just like that, you have a new report offering, turning tedious reports into scalable, high-value services your clients will love. How can we support our partners? Reach Reporting seamlessly connects to QuickBooks, Xero, MYOB, Excel, Google Sheets, Gusto, and more, keeping every metric, dashboard, and financial statement updated in real time. And with no steep learning curve, your team can start using it immediately. No coding, no headaches. But if you do need help, our customer support team is by your side. With Reach Reporting, we're committed to giving you the best tools to support your success. What else should you know? At Reach Reporting, we're not another basic automated financial tool. We're more, because you need more. Our platform is top-rated and trusted by thousands of accountants and businesses. And now it's your turn to experience what true, insightful reporting feels like. Visit reachreporting.com to make a statement.